Breathe deeply. Let the weight of the world melt away with every breath you take. In this moment, you are here, connected to the earth, to the ocean, to the gentle rhythm of life itself. There are days when life feels overwhelming, when the road ahead seems steep and uncertain. But remember, you are not alone on this journey. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. You've come so far already. Every challenge, every struggle, every victory, they've shaped you into the strong, resilient person you are today. Embrace that strength. Let nature remind you of its beauty. Like the ocean's waves, always returning to shore, you too can keep moving forward. No matter how many times you're pushed back, you rise again, stronger and wiser than before. Look at the trees swaying in the gentle wind. They teach us that even in the face of storms, we can bend without breaking. We adapt, we grow, we heal. Feel the calmness settling into your body now. Your mind is peaceful, your heart steady. Let go of the rush, let go of the noise. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment. There is no need to rush. Life is not a race. Trust in your own timing. Trust that every twist and turn is leading you somewhere beautiful. Even when it's hard to see, there is always light ahead. Always hope. In the stillness of this moment, reconnect with your dreams. Picture them clearly. Let them fill your heart with hope. They are yours for the taking, if you keep believing, if you keep moving forward. The universe is on your side. You are stronger than you know, braver than you think, and every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow. So, keep chasing your dreams. Keep pushing forward. Take a deep breath. Allow the world around you to slow down. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, feel the tension leaving your body. With every breath, you are letting go of all that weighs you down. Let your mind settle. Let your thoughts drift like the waves flowing in and out, calm and steady. Here, in this moment, you are safe. You are at peace. There are days when the world feels overwhelming and everything feels like too much. But right now, you can let it go. Right now, it's time to rest. It's time to recharge. Feel that calmness now. It's washing over you. Let it sink into every part of your being. This moment is yours, a moment of peace, of serenity. You deserve this calm. There's no need to rush. No need to worry about tomorrow. Right now, in this space, you can simply be. Breathe deeply, relax, and allow yourself to just be. Trust in your journey. Life doesn't always go as planned, but that's okay. There's no need to rush to the finish line. Trust that each step you take is guiding you in the right direction. Even when you can't see the path ahead, trust that you are being led to where you're meant to be. Every dream you have, every hope you hold, is within your reach. You are capable. You are worthy. And no matter what challenges you face, know this: you have the power to rise above them. Feel the peace of this moment settle deep within you. Let it fill your heart, your mind, your soul. Let it remind you that you are enough, just as you are. The road ahead may not always be easy, but remember, every step you take, every challenge you overcome, is shaping you into someone even stronger. Keep moving forward, even when it's hard. You have what it takes. Look around you. Nature never hurries, and yet everything gets accomplished. The trees grow at their own pace. The waves ebb and flow in their own rhythm. There is no need to rush. Trust in your timing. Trust in your strength. You have everything you need inside of you to keep going, to keep growing, to keep dreaming. You are more powerful than you know. In this place of stillness, remember your dreams. Let them fill you with purpose, with hope. You are on the right path, even when the road feels uncertain. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Let go of the rush of the day. Let go of the noise of the world. Right here, right now, you are at peace. You are enough. You are loved. As the waves continue to ebb and flow, remember that life, too, has its cycles. There will be times of calm and times of storm, but no matter what comes, you have the strength to weather it. You have the courage to rise again. Feel that strength now. With every breath, you are becoming more peaceful, more calm, more centered. As the day goes on, carry this peace with you. Let it guide you, remind you that you are capable, that you are worthy, that you are loved. You are strong, you are enough, and you are deeply, deeply loved.